How's everybody doing? Listen, I haven't put a video up in a while, so I just wanted to give an update. As you can see, I have a Baja Designs Lp6. Just got in the mail today. Also picked up some brackets. I don't know what that is. I'll have to open that later. Oh, what is that? That's kind of heavy to be any kind of bracket, I think. That's mirrors for the Grom. I picked up these because I want to either try to mount the headlight or I got a fairing for it also that I haven't shown yet. But yeah, I want to see if maybe I could use that to mount the fairing. I got a couple of different mounting options. These will go right on the fork legs. I don't know, I could use them either for the fairing or the light. I'm not sure. I'm kind of winging all of this. I've seen other guys get these on there, so I don't know how they're doing it, but this was the best ideas I could come up with. Was try different mounts and see what works. What is this? It's just a sprocket for the ground. So, Baja Designs Lp6. Alright, you get the little sticker. You get the scan thing that I guess sets up your warranty or something like that. Either way, that's the warranty card on the back. There's the bracket. And there's your hardware. And then here is the Lp6. Man, that thing is heavy. So you could see it mounts from the side. I don't think it's going to mount like a typical Harley. If I mount it using those, as you could see, it'll be sideways. See the little Baja Designs? I think that's supposed to be either at the top or the bottom. Yeah, it's supposed to be at the bottom. So this thing is hefty though. Shit. It's definitely got some weight to it. And that connector, I don't know how that's going to work with the Harley's wiring, but I'm going to have to see. So, yeah, just wanted to give you guys an update. Check that out. The thing is crazy. I think I paid around $450 or $475 for it. But that's really it. I just wanted to give you guys a video because I haven't made one in a while. Like you know, there is going to be an install video coming. Oh, there you go. There's the connector. So I'm hoping that it'll just be plug and play. I'll just be able to take the wires from the Harley harness, or I should say the Harley connector, and rewire it into here. But that I'll have to figure out when the time comes, and I will be having a video up with that, which is kind of why I was doing this unboxing, just to show you guys and let you know. And I am going to be doing a video how to install this on a 2018 softail lowrider. So I think that'll work for basically all of those softail M8s. It should all be the same stuff. So stay tuned for that. It should be up in the next couple of days. And I appreciate you guys watching, and ride safe.